Question number 9. Using all the digits 2, 3, 5, 8, 9, how many numbers greater than 50,000 can be formed? Now, if we want a number greater than 50,000, that means at first place, from these 5 numbers, 2 and 3 we cannot take because it will be less than 50,000. So 5, 8, 9. From these 3 numbers, any one number should be there on first place, and remaining 4 places can be filled by the remaining 4 numbers. So the total permutation now here this can be done in 3p1 ways, that is from this 3 number 1 number we have to select, and remaining 4p4 ways. So total permutation for the numbers greater than 50,000 is equal to 4p4 into 3p1. Now 3p1 is 3 and 4p4 is 4 factorial. So 4 factorial into 3. Now we will bifurcate it. 4 into 3 into 2 into 3. So that is 24 into 72. So total permutation for the numbers greater than 50,000 is 72. Question number 10. A person has 5 chocolates of different sizes. These chocolates are to be distributed among 5 children of different ages. If the biggest chocolate is to be given to the youngest child, then in how many ways 5 chocolate can be distributed among 5 children? Now we have 5 chocolates and we have 5 children. Now from this, the biggest chocolate has to be given to the youngest child, or smallest child we can say. So the biggest chocolate the youngest child will give. That can be done in how many ways? It can be done in 1p1 ways. So total permutation is equal to 1p1 into, now remaining 4 chocolates can be distributed among remaining 5 child. So that can be done in 4p4 ways. So 1p1 is 1 and 4p4 is 4 factorial. So 4 into 3 into 2, that is total 24 ways. Question number 11. How many total arrangements can be made using all letters of the following word? Statistics. Now in this word, total there are 10 letters, and of which numbers are repeated? T is repeated 3 times. I is repeated 2 times. And S is repeated 3 times. 1, 2 and 3. Now I made you write one formula, that is permutation of identical things. Identical things means whenever the same letters or numbers are there. When out of total and things, A things are identical and remaining things are different, then total arrangements will be n factorial upon A factorial. If more than one things get repeated, then it is n factorial upon A factorial, B factorial and C factorial. Now here this will term as P, Q, R. So the total permutation, now n is equal to 10 we know. So total permutation is equal to n factorial upon P factorial, Q factorial and R factorial. Now n is 10, P is 3 factorial, then 2 factorial and again 3 factorial. Now we'll solve this. So 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4 and 3 factorial. I'll stop over here. So this 3 into 2 2 and this 3 factorial and 3 factorial get cancelled. Now when I'll solve this, I'll get my answer as 50,400. Now next word is bookkeeper. Now here also n is equal to 10. Now here E is repeated 3 times. K is repeated 2 times. And O is repeated 2 times. So according to permutation of identical things, total permutation is equal to n factorial upon p factorial, q factorial and r factorial. This you can denote it as p, q, r. I'll write down 10 factorial upon 3 factorial, 2 factorial and 2 factorial. Now 10 factorial will bifurcate 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 upon 3 into 2, then 2 factorial and again 2. I'm going to calculate this. So we'll get 3628800 upon 24. And we'll divide, we'll get 1,51,200. That is the total permutation possible. The next word is appearing. Now here also your n is 9. Then here A gets repeated 2 times. So total permutation is equal to n factorial upon p factorial, q factorial. Now n is 9 and your p is 2 and q is also 2. Now we'll bifurcate 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 upon 2 into 2. Now when we'll solve this, we'll get upon 20, that is 4. So that is equal to 90,720. Now next question, what is the ratio of number of arrangements of all letters of the word Ashok and Gita? Now arrangement, here we have to find out. So first for Ashok. So total permutation of arranging these 5 letters of word Ashok is 5p5. So that is equal to 5 factorial. So 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, that is equal to 120. And same way we will find out for Gita. So here also we have 5 letters. So total permutation of arranging these 5 letters, but here E is repeated. So we'll use the identical thing formula. So total permutation is equal to n factorial upon p factorial. Now here our n is 5 and p is 2, that is e is getting repeated 2 times. So 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 upon 2. So that will give us answer 60. Now we will find out ratio of number of arrangements of all letters of the word Ashok and Geeta. So that is equal to ratio of word Ashok is 120 and total number is 60 for the word Geeta. So that is 2:1. Question number 13. There are 5 seats in a car including the driver's seat. If 3 out of 10 members in a family know driving, then in how many ways 5 persons out of 10 members can be arranged in the car? Now, total 5 seats are there in a car. If 3 out of 10 members in a family know driving, now total 10 family members are there. From that, 3 members know driving. And remaining 7, they don't know. Now, how many ways 5% out of total 10 members can be arranged in the car? Now from this 10 members, we have to arrange total 5 members. Now first of all, at driver's seat, the person who is knowing driving will only sit. So one person has to be selected from this. So that can be done in 3p1 ways. Now here 7 plus, from here 1 is only selected, so remaining 2, that is total 9 members are there now. So now from this 9 members, we have to select 4 persons. I will select 4 persons because already one person is or one member is selected as a driver. So that can be done in 9p4 ways. So total arrangement is equal to 3p1 into 9p4. So 3p1 into 9p4, that is 3. Now this will trifurcate till 4, that is 9 into 8 into 7 into 6. Now to multiply this, so we'll get our answer as 9072 ways.